Hi everyone, welcome to week 4, the second week of our first project web design. You did a great job last week. I really enjoyed reading your web analysis. I found some very interesting websites in your web analysis. So this week we will learn some free website builders, and you can start designing your website. And also you need to share your initial post. So now I'm going to show you the week 4 page. This week we have 5 tasks in total. And the first one is to watch this introduction video, and the second one is very important, is to read the web design requirements and the rubric. So it's very important for you to read them before you start your own design. And in the task 3, I provide 3 free website builders, so you can choose one of them. And if you have any other better choices, you can definitely use them. So there are no requirements that you can only use these 3 website builders. You can choose your own favorite website builders. So it's a great chance for you to learn some new tools. So if you have never used this website builders, I provide 3 tutorial videos for every website builders. I also provided some examples. So it's a great chance for you to learn some functions of these new tools, and also you can spend some time to explore the examples. After that, you need to decide which tools you want to use, and then you need to start designing your website. So in this week, you only need to finish your initial post. So for the initial post, you don't need to finish all of the pages. You can just only finish one page. I just want to see what is the content in your website, and which tools you will use. And also, please share the link to your initial website and followed by the description of your topic of your web, the reason why you choose the topic, and what will be the highlights in your web in the Snag website initial post channel. And also, please give at least one peer feedback to your colleagues. So that's all for the week 4. If you have any questions, please send an email to me. I will reply that as soon as possible. Thanks for hard working, and see you next Wednesday.